कैसा फील कर रहे हो भाई इधर?
बहुत अच्छा।
ये कौन सी जगह है? इसको बोलते हैं बुकवर्म। Yeah, so nice girl. Thank you. Yeah, have to be happy, sir. Yeah, otherwise if you want to be sick, then don't be happy. Yeah,
It's easier to do than
easier to be happy.
Happy that we are healthy.
See, if you are happy, then you can be happy.
Exactly.
Otherwise, like him. Okay, you come here, buddy.
Huh?
With him, with him. Wow.
Oh,
My name is Aslam. What's your name?
Jeff.
Jeff, nice to see you.
My sister.
Nice to see you. Sure. All together too, no problem.
With me too. With my cell phone too.
1 second. Yeah, how do
Hi,
you?
Mrs.
Yeah. Yeah. What's your relation? No, I know, but I want to know.
What do you know? What do you want to know?
Yeah.
Him?
Yeah. He is Jeff, and is he your
My husband.
husband? Smart husband, young husband.
Can I help me take a picture?
Sure.
I cannot see you.
How long been you married?
Yeah.
10
20 years.
years. See?
Did you get it,
From where? I'm from Pakistan.
You're from Pakistan?
You? Philippine?
No, not even close.
Mexicana?
No, don't tell her that.
I'm from Venezuela.
Venezuela.
Yeah, I have a good friend. I grew up pretty close with family. Not from Pakistan, from
India?
no.
Bangladesh?
Their religion is Muslim.
Muslim everywhere. In your country too.
Yeah, in my country too. But yeah, they are from. I see Yahya was from Lebanon.
Lebanon. My grandson named Yahya.
Ah,
Yahya.
so Yahya was from. He got passed away.
This is Yahya was cousin of Jesus.
Oh, maybe you didn't take the picture.
Oh, he should. Come on, Jeff. What are you doing?
I can't see it. It's too bright.
Oh no, you take it. You take it.
Okay. See?
Maybe this gentleman can help you.
No,
He
he
can
got
take-
it. He got it.
Oh, see? Good luck.